Are you tired of spending hours scrubbing and mopping your hard floors only to be left with streaks and sticky residue? Say goodbye to traditional cleaning methods and hello to the revolutionary Eureka Cordless Wet-Dry One Hard Floor Cleaner. This innovative cleaner combines the power of vacuuming and mopping in one sleek device, saving you time, effort, and frustration. Let's delve into why the Eureka Cordless Wet-Dry One Hard Floor Cleaner is a game-changer for your cleaning routine. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and welcome the Eureka Cordless Wet-Dry One Hard Floor Cleaner with self-system into your home. Dual functionality for ultimate efficiency. The Eureka Cordless Wet-Dry One Hard Floor Cleaner is not your average vacuum cleaner. With its unique design, it can effectively vacuum and mop wet and dry messes on multiple sealed hard floors, including hardwood, tile, laminate, vinyl, and marble. Say goodbye to the hassle of switching between multiple cleaning tools. The Eureka does it all in one go, leaving your floors spotless and streak-free. Cordless freedom and convenience. Experience unparalleled freedom and convenience with the cordless design of the Eureka Cordless Wet-Dry One Hard Floor Cleaner. No more tangled cords or limited reach. Simply grab the cleaner and go wherever you need to clean with ease. The lightweight and ergonomic design, coupled with fingertip controls, allow for effortless maneuverability and precise cleaning, making it a breeze to tackle every corner of your home. Advanced cleaning technology for superior results. The Eureka features advanced cleaning technology to ensure superior results with every use. With up to a 90% water recovery rate, this cleaner leaves your floors completely dry and streak-free in a matter of minutes, saving you time and effort. The powerful suction and self-propelled function make quick work of even the toughest debris and stains, leaving your floors looking pristine. Hassle-free maintenance for peace of mind. Say goodbye to tedious maintenance tasks with the Eureka. The hands-free self-cleaning function automatically flushes the inner tubing and brush roller, ensuring hassle-free maintenance and prolonging the life of your cleaner. With a durable battery that provides up to 30 minutes of cordless cleaning power, you can clean with confidence knowing that the Eureka Cordless Wet-Dry One Hard Floor Cleaner has you covered. In conclusion, the Eureka Cordless Wet-Dry One Hard Floor Cleaner is a game-changer for anyone looking to simplify their cleaning routine and achieve superior results. With its dual functionality, cordless design, advanced cleaning technology, and hassle-free maintenance, the Eureka Cordless Wet-Dry One Hard Floor Cleaner offers unparalleled convenience and efficiency. Say goodbye to traditional cleaning methods and hello to effortless cleaning with the Eureka. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.